In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSL on your Squarespace website. Setting up SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, is a crucial step in securing your website and ensuring your visitors' data is protected. So, let's dive right in and go over these steps thoroughly to make sure your website is as secure as possible. First, you'll need to access the SSL settings within your Squarespace account. Start by logging into your account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be navigating through a few menus. Head over to the Settings section, which serves as the hub for all adjustments you might want to make to your site. From there, find the Developer Tools area. It's the section where options related to your site's technical configurations are housed. Under Developer Tools, you'll see the SSL tab. That's where we'll be making the necessary adjustments to enhance your site's security. Now that we've made our way to the SSL settings panel, it's time to choose your SSL preference. Here, you'll find three options, each suited to different security needs. The first and recommended option is Secure Preferred. Selecting this option means that your website will automatically redirect visitors to the HTTPS version, ensuring all data transferred between the server and visitors is encrypted. This is generally the best option for the majority of users, as it provides a significant security boost without requiring additional configuration. If you're looking for even more robust security, especially if you're handling sensitive user data, you might want to consider the second option, HSTS Secure. This adds an extra layer of security by instructing browsers to only connect to your site over HTTPS. It's a great way to ensure that your site stays protected against certain types of network attacks. However, it's slightly more advanced, so make sure you fully understand the implications and requirements before proceeding. The third option is Insecure, which disables SSL altogether. It's not recommended unless you have very specific reasons, perhaps for a development environment or a particular need for unencrypted connections. However, for public-facing sites, maintaining encryption is generally crucial. Once you've selected either Secure Preferred or HSTS Secure, you're ready to save your settings. Simply click the Save button to apply your changes. This action confirms your selections and begins the process of securing your site with SSL. And there you have it, a simple yet vital process to secure your Squarespace site with SSL. By following these steps, you've taken a significant stride in protecting your site and your visitors' data. It's always good practice to review your security settings regularly to ensure everything is up to date. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Squarespace's support team is a great resource to contact for further assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.